Hello everyone, today we are going to make a bracelet. So to make a bracelet, the first thing we will need is a wire. I am taking a long length wire over here. Note that the wire should be a long length one only, because if it is short length one, it can cause problem while doing the bracelet. So take a length according to your wrist. So I will take this length. And now I will make curves over here. So now the curve that is on my left hand side, I will use this one and take it over the one on the right hand side. Now the right hand side one wire, I will take it above that, and now beneath both of them and through this left one. And then I will pull both the strings. I will show it to you once again. So now, as I started from left, it has come to the right side. So now I will bend it over this side, and this one I will take this one above that, and then underneath it and from this. Then I will pull both the strings. See, this is how I made the pattern. If you didn't understand, you can watch the video again. So I will show it to you once again. Now as it has come to the left, I will again take the left one. Now the right one above the left one, and that same right wire I will take it beneath it and take it out. Then pull both the strings. Like this, I have made the pattern. So by this way, you have to continue doing this. Now, as I have reached towards the end, what will I do is, I will take the right one, as you can see it has come to the right side. So I will take the right one and insert it in the hole. Now I will take the left one and now this one is also inserted. So now what I have to do is, I will take the ends and then insert them in the initial two holes. So first I will make them of equal length. So I will cut the one which is bigger, and now here you can see the holes. So I will make them a little big. You can use anything, a pencil or a pointed object, to make the circles big. So I will take one of them and put it inside that, and the second one, and insert it. And now I have made them of equal length. So here I will tie them up. Yes, you can tie it anywhere. Actually I could have tied it over here, but just I have tied it here because I want some more space. Then I will cut it off, the excessive part, and now your bracelet is ready. So you can put it in your hand, you can adjust it accordingly. So now this one is a very big one, but the initial one I have kept it small only, so that it fits my hand. So this is a very easy way to make this bracelet. So thanks for watching.